Welcome to Science Curiosity Lab, where everyday mysteries get decoded in minutes. Let's dive right in. The next time you're chopping onions and your eyes start watering, know that you're experiencing a sophisticated chemical warfare. But what exactly is happening on a molecular level to trigger those tears? Stay tuned because we're about to crack open the science behind your kitchen tears and how you can finally fight back. Ever sliced an onion and suddenly, boom, your eyes are stinging, tears are streaming, and you're desperately trying not to rub your face. Why do onions do this to us? Let's dive in. Onions look harmless, but inside they're little chemical factories. When you cut through an onion's cell walls, you unleash special enzymes called alliinases. These enzymes meet amino acid sulfoxides, also locked inside the onion. The second they meet, a chain reaction begins. First, alliinase breaks down sulfoxides into sulfonic acids. But sulfonic acids aren't stable. They quickly rearrange to make a gas called syn-propanethiol S-oxide. This invisible compound floats up head straight for your eyes, and your tear ducts kick in, trying to flush out the irritant, like a built-in self-defense alarm. So is there any way to win this onion battle? Stick around. I've got some science-backed hacks coming up. Here's something wild. This is actually the onion's way of defending itself. A molecular booby trap evolved to keep animals from eating it, humans included. Have you tried every trick in the book to stop those tears? Chilling the onion, sharp knives, holding your breath, chewing gum, but still end up crying? Tell me in the comments, what's your weirdest onion chopping experience? Ready for some solutions? Here are science-backed ways to chop onions without tears. Chill the onion in the fridge. It slows down enzyme action. Slice under running water. It washes away the irritant gas. Use a fan. Blows the chemicals away from your eyes. Or go full science lab and wear goggles. So next time you're crying over onions, remember, it's not you. It's chemistry in action. From tiny enzymes to tear ducts, there's a symphony of science in every slice. For more fun food science and to share your crazy veggie stories, hit subscribe and drop your best or worst onion hack in the comments below. See you in the next science snack.